5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The best Valentine gift goes to Jojo in 2026. Ay, siyambongisa. Awuyivalile guys. You want to bear. Look. Tata Nagu Ferrari on the spot. Hey. I saw the comment and everybody is just going so wow. Guys, ngifuna ukuthi asibekezeleni guys, umuntu nomuntu unomuntu wakhe. Siyabona ziyakhala le mzombe. Angeke, not that we are comparing, but I'm saying umuntu nomuntu unomuntu wakhe. You know, there's a friend of ours who said every pot has got its own lid. Ay man, yasibekezeleni. Ay. Abogogo bethu we believing ukuthi hayi amadoda hey mancane abafazi baningi. Yini lokho? Nazo ke. Oh gosh, this was a beautiful surprise. Wamuthi ke negolide. Hayi bezikhala. I loved that even the motorbahn, they also responded and they were like, you know what, pulling this off, Shem, it was a task, meaning vele it was a surprise. So these are some of the comments from our celebrities. Angela is like, yes, Rory, you know, people are just so happy. Someone said, but you had this car, Joe, and Jojo said, no, we had a McLaren, now we're having a Ferrari. Kindly like and subscribe if you can, if you're still listening to this. Bye.